This is the EHang VT35, China's newest pilotless passenger drone that could redefine personal flight. Unveiled in October 2025, it's a sleek electric aircraft that carries 2 passengers over 200 kilometers in a single charge. It lifts off vertically using 8 propellers, then cruises forward with a powerful rear engine. No pilot, no cockpit, just input your destination and fly. Weighing nearly a ton, the VT35 can cross mountains, seas, or city skylines, fully controlled by AI and monitored from the ground. EHang says it's built for intercity travel. Faster than a car, quieter than a helicopter, and completely emission-free. This isn't science fiction. Test flights are already underway, and China plans to certify it for public use soon. Would you ride in a pilotless drone like this? Let us know below. Subscribe to InfoLens, where the future takes flight.